Welcome to my channel guys. In this video we will be animating sky in Photoshop. So first of all I will import the images. So this is the first image. Now we will cut out its background to make it transparent. So I will use select subject option here. Now let's refine the selection by using quick selection tool. That's it. Now I will apply layer mask to it. Now let's place the background layer, which is sky. Let's resize it so that it fills the whole canvas. Let's place it below the. Now we will be animating it from left to right, as you can see. So in order to do this, first of all we will convert these layers into smart object. Right click on smart object. Now go to window, click on timeline. Now click on create video timeline option. Here you see the timeline. Let's rename these layers so it would be easier for us to work on. So in order to animate the background sky, we will be inserting keyframes. In order to do this, expand the sky layer and click on the stopwatch left at the transform option, and here you see diamond has been inserted. Now take the blue slider all the way to right. Now take the sky to the right. Now here you see the diamond has been inserted, which means we have inserted the keyframes. Let's zoom out a bit so I will show you by playing this video. Let's play it. Now we will export this video. So in order to do this, go to file, click on export, click on render video right at the export option, click on that render video, and the dialog box will appear. At first we will select the folder, destination folder, where we want to keep our video. So select that. Now I will keep the settings the same, such as format. Now let's choose I will choose 720p video quality. You can choose high quality as you wish. Click on render. It may take a couple of minutes or more depending on your computer's performance. I had already cut out most of the video parts so that I can save your time, guys. Rendering is about to be completed. So now rendering has been completed. Let's save this project as PSD document. Let's save this file so that we can save this work. Click on save as PSD document so we don't lost this project. Now let me show you the video we had exported. Let's play. Thanks for watching, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.